Today, we're going on a magical Christmas adventure, together. Are you ready? Look! This is Santa's workshop, where all the toys are made. Did you know that Santa's elves work really hard to make toys for all the children? Santa's reindeer have special magic to help them fly around the world. Let's visit different countries to see how they celebrate Christmas. In England, they hang stockings by the fireplace on Christmas Eve, so that Santa can fill them with gifts. And in Mexico, they have piñatas filled with surprises. Blindfolded children take turns to hit the piñata with a stick until it splits open and the goodies pour out. In many countries, people decorate Christmas trees with special ornaments and lights. But did you know that in Germany, it is a tradition to hide a single pickle ornament on the tree for children to find on Christmas morning? The child who finds the pickle gets an extra present. In Southern Hemisphere countries, like Australia and South Africa, people usually spend Christmas outdoors due to the hot weather. You might even see Santa at the beach. Whoosh! We're flying with Santa. Did you know that his sleigh flies because of the magic of happiness and kindness? In many countries, children leave out biscuits or cookies and milk for Santa on Christmas Eve. However you celebrate, we hope you have a wonderful Christmas. See you next time.